Yes, we need to know if you have any drugs or weapons on board.
No, I have
No?
no drugs or weapons.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, yeah, you can check everything. I just got fishing gear, survival gear.
Okay, do you have a knife on your... Can I get it, please? No, without the bag. Take it out, please. You need to make sure you have no weapons or drugs on board, right?
Yeah, sure.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, sure. I've just got fishing gear.
Okay, can I get your name, please?
Tim Shaddock.
Okay, where are you from?
Oh, you're.
I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Yeah. Do you have the date of your departure?
Yes. I departed Mexico on
Where from Mexico?
La Paz.
La Paz?